Welcome to the Kyber Lab, episode 45, a no camera version because I am currently traveling. Anyway, in the Kyber Lab, we are focused on maximizing your banners, removing any RNG, and avoiding those annoying mistakes. So in this particular match, we are looking at Commander Luke Skywalker versus the most common of the Starkiller setups, leader-wise at least, with Emperor Palpatine and Mara Jade. And this is with the Barriss in there, as opposed to a General Kenobi or Old Ben, or probably the most complicated Juhani. Anyway, this is the Barriss version. So we have CLS, traditional CLS team. The goal here is 62 plus. If you're lucky, you'll get 63. 64 I've seen once, but just dramatically over-geared compared to the EP team, Starkiller team. Generally, you want to be about the same gear level. Higher is better, makes it go faster, but lower can work too. Keep an eye out for higher Relic Mara Jade, Relic 7, Relic 8, whatever. Relic 5 is the lowest you're going to get, obviously, because of the Starkiller unlock requirements. And especially keep an eye out for health stacked. Mara Jade, Visas, Emperor Palpatine. Mara Jade in particular, if she's health stacked, can be problematic. Mod check, nothing really, just faster and more damage is better. Speed check, nothing special, don't be super slow. How to play, it's very simple, kill Mara Jade, then kill Visas, then the rest of the team. They are susceptible to TM reduction, which is what both C-3PO and Han Solo does. Well, Commander CLS can do it as well with his middle special. But that's basically how you win. Kill Mara Jade, the rest of the team crumbles. RNG-wise, as long as you're targeting Mara Jade first, it's very reliable. It's theoretically possible that Mara Jade doesn't get TM reduced in the early part of the fights, like before Tenacity Down is applied. Or just you get one of those resists that happen no matter what. That could happen no matter what, the minimum chance. So that's basically it. Otherwise, it's very, very reliable and safe. Just kill Mara Jade. Let's see how this looks. There's some tricky parts maybe at the end if it's health stacked everywhere, where you have to wait for exposes to land. So here you go. This is where it could be, depending on the counterattack order, you might have some issues there. But here you can see, obviously, it's very easy. And this Mara Jade is probably modded for damage or just crap mods. Hard to say. This is a video by Bitcoin, by the way. I've covered a few of his other videos as Kyber Labs. He does some very, very smart counters and plays very well. Anyway, here we are going after Visas. Really, there's no danger once Mara Jade is dead. If your team is modded very poorly, in terms of damage, and maybe they're super slow, the CLS team, then maybe some issues. They can't be stunned, but I would avoid the AoEs and just run single target down. It helps to have the tenacity down from Chewbacca here to make sure that you land the TM reductions, because that's really all you're going for. Yeah, you can't stun, it's just a waste of a move. It would have gone for Emperor Palpatine there. Emperor Palpatine here too. It's going to take a little while to take down Starkiller because he is almost always built with health mods. AoE, sort of useless. Really kill the squishy ones first, then kill Starkiller at the end. That's much safer. You can see, I think this is the first time Bitcoin has done this counter. So he's sort of learning as he goes along. And here I'll fast forward a little bit. He goes after Visa or Barriss, and then he goes after Starkiller. What kills both of these is the exposes that you get from assists. So easier just to focus down one of them. You can see he swaps back and forth, but it's easier to take down Starkiller usually. You could take down, yeah, there he probably could have taken down Barriss with the expose on her. But whatever, just it's going to be a bit time consuming at the end. But eventually she drops. And there you go, 62. Let's back up a bit. If you notice the banners, depending on how you stall and stuff, like this could have been a stall with C3PO or with 3POs, 2POs, middle, and probably would have gotten you at least 2 more banners. You're missing from 3, yeah, so it could have gotten you 64 here with CLS and 3PO, and maybe Han as well. So you can stall to 63 plus pretty easily, depending on the team. But this is an easy counter. Target Mara Jade first, and you'll win. Cheers.